Morning, YouTube. Thought I'd show you something that you're going to need for putting this engine back together. First off, here's your piston connecting rod. See that small end there? You have to get that bushing in there. First off, you're going to need a press for that. Those aren't coming out without a press. After you have it disconnected, you press in your new bushings. What you need is one of these. It's an adjustable reamer. And what you do is you run that through that hole very carefully, a little bit at a time. And you use your calipers. And I use telescoping rods to measure the inside diameter. So what you're looking for is to measure that we're out of battery.